का बैकबोन रहा है, और इस सैलाब ने, इस कुदरती आफत ने, this natural disaster broke our backbone. The farmers of Sindh, Punjab, the agriculturists from Pakhtunkhwa, Balochistan, this tragedy, this disaster took from those that provide for the rest of us, those that feed the rest of the country, unka economic means of earning income was devastated, nowhere to go. और हमारा सब इस मुश्किल घड़ी में, the most difficult time, we were incredibly grateful to the UN Secretary General, Antonio Guterres, जो उसी वक्त यूनाइटेड नेशंस जनरल असेंबली का जो सेशन है वो हर सितंबर में होता है और हर साल होता है, और किसी यूएन सेक्रेटरी जनरल के लिए उसका सबसे मसरूफ वक्त होता है. It's the busiest time for any UN Secretary General. But he left the UN General Assembly and arrived here in Pakistan and has really held our hand from the relief phase to our successful conference in Geneva. We're incredibly grateful to the UN Secretary General for his support and coordination, particularly with the Foreign Office of Pakistan and our representative at the United Nations, that together with the UN Secretary General we've managed to galvanize the international community, international organizations, and came together to achieve what many said was impossible. हमें कहा जाता था कि देखिए पूरी दुनिया में मुआशी बहरान है, कुदरती आफत भी जगह जगह हो रहा है, यूक्रेन का जंग चल रहा है और पूरी दुनिया का इमदाद फोकस इन चीज़ों पे है, तो आप अपने उम्मीदें कम रखें. It was very clear that given the international climate, given the war in Ukraine, given the economic challenges post-COVID in Ukraine that we're feeling all over the world, given geopolitical tensions, the international national consensus was that Pakistan was to come back